Good morning, student. Now it's time for your maths class, and today I will be doing revision work of multiplication. Now look at solve the following word problems. Look at the first sum. There are 8 rows of plants with 22 plants in each row. How many plants are there in all? So first, understand the sums. What is being asked? So there are 8 rows of plants and 20 plants are planted in each row. How many plants are there in all? So the first will be number of rows 8. Number of plants in each row is 22. Now what is the question being asked? How many plants are there in all? So total number of plants 22 multiply 22 into 8 is 176 plants. 8 to the 16, 8 carry 1, write down 6 under the ones column, 8 to the 16 plus 1 is 17, write down 17. So answer, there are 176 plants in all. Now look at the next one. Sulekha has 12 bunches of bananas. Each bunch has 8 bananas. How many bananas are there in all? So the first step will be number of bunches is how much? 12. Number of bananas is in each bunch is 8. Number of bunches 12. Number of bananas in each bunch is 8. So what is the question asked? How many bananas are there in all? So we write down, so total number of bananas in all is 12 into 8. So if you multiply 12 into 8, 8 write down 1 tens 100, then write down 12 multiply by 8. And 8 to the 16, 1 to the 10th place and 6 under the ones column. 8 ones are 8 plus 1 is 9, 96. The answer will be 96 bananas are there in all. Next, 225 marbles are kept in one box. How many marbles are there in 4 such boxes? So in one box there are 225 marbles. So the question is asked, how much marble will be there in all when in 4 such boxes? What first, write in the first step, number of marbles in one box is 225. Number of boxes 4. Therefore, total number of marbles is 225 into 4. You have to multiply 225 into 4. So if we multiply 225 into 4, write in the units first, ones, tens, hundreds, 225 multiply by 4. So go to the ones place, 4 5s are 20. Write 2 on the tens and 0 at the ones place. 4 to the 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Write 1 at the hundreds place, above 100 and 0 under the tens column. 4 to the 8. 8 plus 1 9. So there are 900 marbles in 4 such boxes. Look at the next sums. Ramesh bought 9 boxes of chocolate. Ramesh bought 9 boxes of chocolates, each having 115 chocolates. So Ramesh bought 9 boxes of chocolates and in each box there were 115 chocolates. How many chocolates did he bring in all? So Ramesh bought 9 chocolate boxes and in each box there were 115 chocolates. So the question is asked, how many chocolates were there in all? So that in the first step, number of boxes of chocolates Ramesh bought is 9. Number of chocolates in each box is 115. Therefore, total number of chocolates Ramesh bought in all 115 into 9. So if you multiply 115 into 9, 9 5s are 45. 4 at the tens up top of 10 and 5 under the hundreds ones column. 9 1 9, 9 plus 4 will be 13. Write 1 at the hundred and 3 under the tens column. 9 1 9, 9 plus 1 10. Write down 10. So answer 135 chocolates Ramesh brought in all. Look at the next sum. A drawing book has 84 pages. How many pages will be there? How many pages will be there in 7 such boxes? So a drawing book has 84 pages and there are 7 such books. Question is on how many pages will be there in 7 such books. So first step, what will you write down? Number of pages in one drawing book. Number of pages in one drawing book. How much? 84. Next, number of drawing books. Number of drawing books, how much? 7. Next, so total number of pages in 7 such books will be, so total number of pages in 7 such books total number of pages in 7 such books will be 84 into 7. Ones, tens, hundreds, 84 into 7. Multiply 84 into 7. 7 4s are 28. 7 is 56. 56 plus 2 will be 58. Now write down the answer. How many pages would be there in this? There are 588 pages in 7 books. Look at the next one. 299 children are playing tennis together. 299 children are playing tennis together. Each one brought 4 balls. How many balls do they have in total? So the first step, what will you write down? Number of children playing tennis is equal to 299. Next step, what will you write down? Number of balls each children brought. Number of balls each children brought is equal to 4. So question is how many balls did they have? So total number of balls, total number of balls they had is equal to 299 into 4. Now multiply 4 9s are 32. Okay, 3 2. 4 9s are 32. Oh sorry, 4 9s are 36. 36. 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 3 36. 37 38 39. 9 carry 3. 4 8s are 4 2 is 8. 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Write down the answer. They had 1196 balls. Look at the next sums. Aarti read 349 words of a book in 1 hour. How many words will she read in 5 hours? So write down number of words Aarti read in 1 hour is equal to 349. Number of words Aarti read in 1 hour is 349. Number of words Aarti will read in 5 hours is equal to 349 into 5. First multiply 349 into 5. 1000 words. 9 5s are 45, carry 4, 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 4 will be 24, 3 5, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2, 17. Write down the answer. Aarti will read 1745 words of a book in 5 hours. Look at the next one. 45 cars are packed in the garage. Calculate the number of cars in one tire tires in the garage. So how many number of tires one car? First write the number of tires one car has. How much number of tires one car has? 4. There are 4 tires in a car. So how many cars? So therefore number of cars are cars parked in the garage is 45. So number of car tires in, so total number of car tires in the garage is equal to 45 into 4. Ones, tens, hundreds. 45 into 4. 5 4s are 20, 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are 16, 17, 18, 180. Answer 180 car tires are there in the garage. I finished this one. Now look at the notebook and solve it. Thank you.